Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video I will show you how to fix the 0xC1900101 driver errors in Windows 10. This driver error is usually caused by missing or problematic drivers. The first and the most important solution is to update or uninstall the corrupted drivers. But if that doesn't work, another solution is to disconnect the peripherals and other components. So how can we fix this error in Windows 10? Update or uninstall the corrupted drivers. You can do that by updating the drivers manually. Go to your local disk, usually it should be C, Windows, then scroll down to the Panther folder and open it. Open the setup.er.log and setupact.log to locate the problematic drivers. Keep in mind that you might have to take ownership over those files in order to access them. Then you just have to uninstall the corrupted drivers. Another way would be using the device manager. To do that, just click Search, which is in the lower left corner, and write Device Manager. Then just click the Device Manager. Expand the list of devices. Most likely the device causing the error will likely appear with a yellow exclamation mark. Right-click the problematic driver and select Update Driver Software to install the latest updates. If that doesn't work, then you have to click Uninstall to completely remove it. Another solution can be unplugging all peripherals. In this case, there are users that confirm that they managed to install the latest version of Windows 10 after unplugging all peripherals from their computers. This might not be the best solution, but you can always try it out and see what happens. Another solution is removing the additional RAM or your network card. This can happen in these types of error, and sometimes it can work by simply removing one RAM module and making another attempt at installing Windows 10. What you can also try is running an SFC scan. Click on the search button in the lower left corner, then just type CMD. Then you'll see command prompt, which you have to right-click and run as administrator. In the command prompt, what you have to do is type sfc/scan now and then hit enter. Wait for the scan process to complete, as it may take a bit of time. Because you might have corrupted system files, this is why the error can appear, but you can easily fix them by running the SFC scan. Once the SFC scan is finished, this problem should be resolved and you should be able to perform any upgrade. And the last solution is simply checking your available upgrade space. In order to upgrade to Windows 10, you need at least 60 GB of storage. Not meeting this requirement may also explain why you've experienced this error. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.